15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas.
Sa mga pamandan, prasadam may given. Our guests will now move out.
Kurumjari, Namaste, hello everyone. Today's video is going to be about my visit in Isha Foundation. This video was taken in December and I will take you to my journey till the time I visit for Mahashivaratri 2025. Let's enjoy the video. Since this video was taken in December, I was able to go really near to Shivji. And look how magnificent he looks, just wonderful. This video was taken at a time when I wasn't even sure that I would start vlogging. So all the videos are in vertical only, so my apologies for that. But what comes next will be very interesting, so let's wait. Just giving you one preview that you see this vast land when there is no Shivaratri and all. So just watch in few seconds how crowded it becomes in Mahashivaratri. Let's see. Here comes the day of Mahashivaratri. I arrived there on time. I was sitting in Brahmaputra Bay. It was a beautiful evening. So I was just filming the lights and the clouds and the crowd, of course. The next few minutes of this video will be the light and sound show shown there. So I won't be narration. Please enjoy the video and you will just love it. It is an experience of a lifetime.
Over 15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. When his ecstasy allowed him some movement, he danced wildly. When intensity peaked, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had ever known or able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos They called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adi Yogi. When his stillness lasted for years on end, curious onlookers melted away. Only 7 seekers remained, as they could not tear themselves away from him. Of this magnificent union, Ghanas, his constant companions, asked, "What about us?" Adiyogi said, "Just drink of me," which drove them into intoxicated raptures. Seven sages, the Saptarishis, took the sacred science of yoga in all its forms to human habitations across the planet, which turned into crucibles of civilization.
Our Anna Prasad consists of khichdi and sweet pongal, and it was so tasty. So all the photos and videos were taken from my all MI phone, so the quality is not that good, and I wasn't even sure of becoming a YouTuber at that time, so I have a very less amount of video on this. So I hope you guys don't mind, and I'm uploading whatever I had in my phone because I feel so connected to Shivji, and this is the 3rd time for me at Isha. The energy we felt on that day was so high, and we don't even get tired at all. Me and my friend Ananya, whole night we were attending the Jagratra and we were not even tired. So like that, the entire night passes away and we completely enjoyed. Now I'm going to show you what they provided. The first one, it contains bibhuti. The second one is of black threads. And you know, black thread means I got something extra special too. And that's I got 2 rudraksh. So it was a blessed day for me. So till then, bye.